Newton's first law states that an object in motion stays at motion, and an object at rest stays at rest unless an outside force acts upon it. Example of Newton's first law is me blowing on these eraser shavings. The eraser shavings on my art project are at rest, and once I blow on them, they fly. Due to air resistance and gravity, they eventually do slow down to a stop. Example of Newton's first law is me kicking a basketball. The ball is at rest and it starts moving once I kick it. Due to friction from the floor and the ball hitting the door, the ball comes to a state of rest. Newton's second law states that the rate of change of momentum is proportional to the imposed force and goes in the direction of the force. What also goes with Newton's second law is F equals ma, where F equals the net force, m is the mass of the object, and a is its acceleration. Of Newton's second law is the swivel chair. When I push on the swivel chair, it moves pretty fast. Add two 5-pound barbells onto the seat and push the chair with the same amount of force as I did the first time, the chair won't move as fast. Because the force needed to move an object changes when the mass increases, thus needing faster acceleration. An example of Newton's second law is an empty backpack. An empty backpack is easy to pick up because it is less massive. 10 pounds worth of barbells, the backpack is much more heavier to pick up because it is much more massive than an empty backpack, and it requires much more force to lift it. Newton's third law states that for every action force there is an equal and opposite reaction force. An example of Newton's third law is when my hand hits the wall. My hand hits the wall and the ball hits my hand back with the same exact amount of force. This is what causes pain. Another example of Newton's third law is when I throw this ball against the wall. The ball hits the wall and the wall hits the ball back with the same exact force, causing the ball to bounce off.